Oh my gosh, look how big this is. It's gonna open this. Oh, it already looks open. Uh-oh. Let's hope it's not open. It has a webcam, microphones, ring lights, tripod, and green screen. This is the ring light right here. This is a big ring light. Oh my gosh, wow. Like tripod. There's different lengths that you guys can change it to. This is the biggest one, the blue side. This is how it looks. Whoa, oh my gosh. Gosh, it's huge. All this stuff for only like about $108. The actual microphone, ring lights, microphones, a green screen. Look how huge this is. There's still more in this little package. Some paper here. This is a whole manual. This is a 4-inch ring light. Alright, so these are the buttons right here. USB webcam. There's a webcam in this, I didn't even know. Wow, what the heck? This looks like this is going to be the last package. Vlog kit. Look, we get a whole little baggie. What is this? Microphone. And you just put it on your t-shirt. This is how the LED lights looks like. It looks like there's like a case or protector or something on it. This is the mic right here. Wow, this is a huge mic. These are all the products that we receive in this small box right here. All these big items. Look at these. You get free paper with this.